Systemic sclerosis is a chronic autoimmune connective tissue disease characterized by the widespread microvascular damage, immune activation, and excessive fibrosis affecting the skin and the internal organs. Limited cutaneous excessive skin involvement registered to the elbows and knees, including the feet. Diffuse cutaneous excessive skin involvement also proximal to the elbows and the knees, including the trunk. Systemic sclerosis, sign of scleroderma, internal organ involvement with other skin changes. Pathogenesis, dysregulated fibroblast activity leading to the excessive collagen deposition. Endothelial injury causing the vascular abnormalities. Autoimmunity with the presence of specific autoantibodies. Anti-centromere, anti-topoisomerase, and the anti-RNA polymerase. Clinical features: skin thickening, hardening, and tightening of the skin. Ranal phenomenon. Episodic vasospasm in the fingers and the toes. Telling history and the calcinosis. Musculoskeletal joint pain and the stiffness. Tendon friction roots. Gastrointestinal. Esophageal dysmotility and the reflux. Malabsorption due to the intestinal involvement. Pulmonary interstitial lung disease. Pulmonary atrial hypertension. Scleroderma, renal crisis, hypertension emergency. Cardiac myocardial fibrosis, arrhythmia. Diagnostic criteria: skin biopsy, thick and dermis with increased collagen. Autoantibodies, anti-symptomatic, anti-sclerosing. Imaging, high resolution CT for the IID, echocardiography, PAH. Nail fold capilloscopy, enlarged capillaries, avascular area. Management symptomatic. Canals, calcium channel blockers, prostacyclin analogs, replace proton inhibitor. Disease modifying immunosuppressant, methotrexate, mycophenolate, mustard, cyclophosphamide, Valgestra, rituximab, under study, organ specific PH, endothelin receptor antagonist, phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor, ILD, intinibus, pirfenidone, renal crisis, VC inhibitor. Systemic sclerosis involves autoimmunity, vascular dysfunction, and the fibrosis. Classification: limited versus diffuse, based on the skin involvement. Renal phenomenon is often the first symptom. Anti-centromere antibodies are associated with the anti-SCL70 with the DCSC. Major complications include ILD, PH, and the renal crisis. Diagnosis involves the clinical features, serology, imaging, and the nail fold capilloscopy. Treatment includes a system-contained immunosuppressant organ-specific therapy. Scleroderma renal crisis is treated with the ACE inhibitor. Pulmonary involvement is the leading cause of the mortality.